The Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police have recovered at least 4 pistols, 6 magazines and 4 kg narcotics from the line of control in Tangdhar area of Kupwara. This is a big breaking news and it comes after just days before the military, the BSF, also nabbed a drone and another bag full of narcotics in the Jammu and Kashmir sector. And just today, the Indian Army, along with the Jammu and Kashmir Police, have recovered at least 4 pistols, 6 magazines and about 4 kg of narcotics from the line of control in the Tangdhar area in the Kupwara district. This comes amid the rising infiltration attempts by Pakistan and terrorist groups in the valley. And today there was another such incident where the army and the Jammu and Kashmir Police seized arms and narcotics in the Kupwara sector, in Tangdhar area specifically. We also are being joined by my colleague Zeenat, who will get us more information on the security update. Zeenat, tell us more about this entire narcotics racket that is being caught in the state, in the valley again and again. Just 2 days before, also, there was a drone and a bag of narcotics that was nabbed. And today again, in fact, there are arms as well. Tell us more.
See, this is the general area of Kupwara, Tangda. This connects you to the line of control, which is quite close to the Pakistan. And this is basically a border area where this arms and ammunition along with the narcotics have been seized, because yesterday around on 17th of December, a CASO was launched by the Indian Army along with Jammu and Kashmir Police. And during the search in that area, which is quite close to the line of control, this is Tangdhar in Kupwara, where arms and ammunition that we are showing you on the screen are the 4 pistols, magazines and other ammunitions along with the narcotics, which has a heavy value in the market as far as the money is concerned. And usually this money, when these items are being sold in the market, so you get a good amount of money. And as per the terror investigating agencies, those who have been investigating the terror, they have been telling time and again that money that they recover or they get after selling these narcotics, that is used to support terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. Although the Jammu and Kashmir Police is holding a press conference in Kupwara as far as today's seizure is concerned, but we can say this is another attempt that was thwarted by the alert troops of Indian Army along with J&K Police by recovering not only the arms and ammunition but also the narcotics. Narcotics is a bigger challenge for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, for the security agencies of Jammu and Kashmir, because this is the narcotics that only takes you to the different ball game, to different lane to these youngsters of Jammu and Kashmir. And also this money is used for terror financing. So it's a big victory for the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Indian Army, who were able to locate the packets during the search operation, and they'll be holding a press conference why this kind of packets, what were the cause of sending these kind of packets, where they were supposed to be utilized, or the men who were behind, because obviously these kind of trade is only be carried when you have the people on the ground that you call the porters. These porters take the packet to one place to another, so you have a complete chain of network who use this money, and also they dispose of or they hand over the weapons to the different people or to the different terrorists for whom this packet has come from line of control, from whom this packet has come from across the border. That only the investigating agencies will be able to reveal as much as they can. But this tells you that despite we see the peace in Jammu and Kashmir compared to Jammu, we are seeing that the Pakistan or the Pakistan-sponsored terrorism is trying best to keep the pot boiling in the Kashmir Valley by sending the arms and also the narcotics that they have been seized now by the army and the Jammu and Kashmir Police during the search operation in Tangdhar, which is quite close to the line of control.
Right, Zeenat, right. And while you are right, this is a good feat for our security forces. In fact, this is a testament of good vigilance that they're nabbing this again and again, and these are all foiled attempts. But tell me more, has the military, has the army or the J&K Police given any first statements on who can this be pinned onto, any organization, any people who've been named or nabbed, or who was found with the narcotics and the pistols? Anything on that?
See, as far as the statement on this entire supply or the packets that have been recovered during the search operation, we are expecting a statement around 12 o'clock coming from the Jammu and Kashmir police as far as this packet of narcotics and arms and ammunition is concerned. But as I already mentioned, it's a complete chain from one person to the another, and there are multiple layers that are usually involved in such kind of business, because a person who is taking the narcotic from one place to
Right,
another
Zeenat.
and then giving it to
Right.
somebody
We will
and then
continue on to the story